The next-gen company, SGI, predicts and provides end-to-end solutions to mission-critical establishments, mitigating natural calamities and disasters from storm, lightning, and power system anomalies. SGI offers the knowledge base, state-of-the-art technology, and training to avert national infrastructural breakdown. SGI advises regulatory and statutory changes to governments across the globe, ensuring preventive measures dedicated to save life, livestock, and assets. It breeds ideas to secure the future. SGI serves humanity through a basket of specialized products and solutions. Partnering with Messrs Duval Messiaen, a 183-year-old French company, SGI has experienced the genesis of artificial treatment compounds from bentonite to earthcorn to Terec Plus. As per IEEE 82000, Terec Plus patented techniques ensures the impossible permanency through moisture retention and growth of conductive roots. It bestows effective, protective, and reference earth to delicate contemporary equipments. The only third-generation Lightning Air Terminal, Satellite 3, with its onboard sensors, can efficiently synchronize with positive and negative lightning, having a tip voltage of 45,000 volts. Its health condition can be remotely monitored by a handheld multi-device teletester, S3. SGI has created the world's first SCADA BMS-compatible lightning predictor capable of multi-level annunciations and preventive commands. A digital lightning counter with history log in IP67 casing enables charting lightning events. The CE-marked SPD corsets control and power electronics from a range of over voltages and current surges as per IEC 62305. The health monitoring window, modular concept, remote terminal, and inbuilt array of GDT and MOV makes it a firewall for surges. SGI offers the most modern PRIVA solutions for climate and process control, emphasizing energy efficiency, reducing operational expenses for people, plant, and greenhouse industries. The permanent corrosion-less, contractor-friendly thermo-welding allows multi-metal joints for varied applications such as power, railways, and telecom as per IEC 837. 10,000 and more mold types with remote ignitions create ultimate connections, even in inaccessible locations, without the use of external power or gas tanks, using light, safe, and portable carbon molds. The Storm Detect, a highly sophisticated and reliable device which measures in advance the variations in the electrostatic layers close to ground, revealing changes indicating imminent storm, thus alerting beforehand to initiate safety and preventive measures. SGI is aware that safety is achieved only through design. The high-end SGI product portfolios are the components of this composite design, ensuring safety. Team SGI has undertaken a mammoth task and deciphered Publication 94 of National Soil Survey of India, compiling countrywide, hectare-wise top soil resistivity data to provide key information to earthing design engineers from a central command center. Earthing Pilot homogenizes information of IEEE, API, British standards, NFPA and Indian standards into an economic drag-and-drop user-friendly software. Semi-skilled manpower can create safe earthing with respect to cross-section, surface area, dangerous potentials and resistance. Background database aids designers, prompting suitable options. Change in source, aging, advent of digital electronics and non-availability of trending techniques makes adequacy study mandatory for old power, telecom and refinery infrastructures. Team SGI is conversant with different IEEEs for substations, generating stations, industrial establishments, statics or electronics to suggest implementable changes. SGI understands the variation of resistivity in a 3D domain. IEEE 81 caters vertical anomalies and SGI Techniques appreciates horizontal variations. Variable earth grid ensures constant current density on a horizontal plane, keeping dangerous potentials below limiting parameters at the time and duration of fault. At the forefront of innovation, IRIS Earth streams deep soil condition to Central Command Center, allowing predictive and preventive management of the till-date blind earthing system. Theft, fault, resistivity alarms and annunciations aids the executive decision tree, creating stress-free functional environment for equipments. SGI has created reflection-free earthing system comprehending IEEE 142 to minimize the variation of earthing design with change in the resistivity. This allows mass production of all-terrain, fault-free, factory-built modular systems for continuous, instantaneous, electronic or DC systems. The mobile variant of Sigma Earth can be used for defense, telecom and short-lived events. SGI has developed static prediction for the first time in the world, which is connected to BMS and SCADA. It predicts lightning and is linked to BMS for preventive measures. SGI thus protects vertical cities, refineries, nuclear power stations, defense establishments, research institutes, ports, sports complexes, industry majors, airports. Our innovative technological excellence enjoys honored privilege to protect the tallest megastructure of the world, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, and also the sensitive and strategic installations of Nuclear Power Corporation. SGI has a reputed list of valuable clients. Some of them are Indian Air Force, Taj Group of Companies, BPCL, Mumbai International Airport, Siemens, NDPL, BHEL, BSNL and many more. Duval Messiaen is honored with coveted QualiSelect Certificate for Research and MACE Certificate for Excellence in Installation in Explosive Zones. Extensive long-term test by CPRI has concluded Terec Plus to be an all-weather, all-terrain stable product. Terec Plus is tested by Environmental Science Lab, prescribing it as non-pollutant for drinking water. Tested around the globe, Satellite 3 has made its mark in India. In CPRI, Satellite 3 is also tested up to 100,000 amperes in Alstom, Cerda. Protector is tested in CPRI for positive and negative surges. The thermowell joints are tested in CPRI as per IEC 837. Our dynamic technical director, Mr. Sanjeev Banerjee, has pioneered our mission of possibilities. In pursuit of excellence, he has been awarded the IT Person of the Year 2010 by US ABF, USA, recognition by US Congressmen, and has been nominated Earthing Expert for AC Power Systems by Central Board of Irrigation and Power. He is a distinguished faculty in Tata Consultancy Engineers, Karnataka Administrative College, sensitive establishments of Government of India, universities, and various electricity and water authorities around the globe. SGI is expanding and rising to address the biggest universal concern of greater destructive threat and impact, like Carrington effect, can destroy interdependent infrastructures by initiating long-duration breakdown in power systems. The GIC induced due to solar flare can blow EHV transformers and burn long-distance transmission lines, throwing world order into chaos. Are you prepared? GIC mitigation is possible by hardware and operational solutions, by islanding power networks appropriately. A dawn of hope for a happier horizon.